In this video, I'll show you how to change your indicators from this to this. Okay, so behind the wing mirror, you'll see a clip. There we go. You'll see a clip right here. You're gonna wanna get a plastic pry tool and push that clip up. You can either push it down from the top or up from the bottom. So there's one there, and there's another one on this side. You can just see it there, right where I'm pointing the orange pry tool. So you're gonna wanna undo both of those whilst you pull the cap backwards. Then it will kind of unclip a bit. So you're gonna wanna move your mirror down so that you can get access to both of those clips. I'm gonna put the camera on a tripod and I'll show you myself doing it now. It's not the best camera angle, so I apologize, but you're gonna have to work with me. But I'm just gonna be pushing up on those two clips I showed you earlier whilst prying this back. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing up here whilst I'm doing it. And then just remember to be prying up those clips whilst you do this. We saw that, but that's one side out because I undid the clip on this side. I'm going to undo the clip on this side and then pry on this side a bit, and that side should also pop out. Once both clips are out, just give it a bit of a pull and then the cover comes off, because those are the two clips at the top you're taking off. Then on here you'll see there's like these three holders here. They slot into down here. You just want to make sure to pull those out as you're tugging off the cap. Okay, now to remove this part, you're going to get your plastic pry tool and put it in this gap and then push it inwards. Then this pops out. You can pull it out and unslot it from the mirror here. Then the bulb back here, just want to give that a pull and it comes out. Here's the old indicator lens. That goes away. And then here's the bulb. You just pull it out like that. Put that to one side. Then you want to get the new LED lens. This is a smoked one, so it's nice and dark. Looks a lot nicer than the original. This is what it looks like. Then it's got this connector on the back. This is just going to plug straight into where the bulb was, into the connector up here. So this is what it looks like, and it goes back in the exact same way the old one came out. So I'll show you that now. Just gonna grab the holder, plug this into there like that, then slot the light back into the original position. So back in there, and then push it in here like that. It clips in. Then you can just tuck this behind here like that. Pull off some of the plastic. Then you grab the cap again, and you want to slot it in from this side first, and then push in these bottom clips, and then push in the top. Now it's on. Pull off the protective film and it's done. So now I'll show you what it looks like. already you can see that's much brighter and looks much better. And I love the like the dynamic effect you have where it goes from left to right. This looks a lot more premium. So here's what it looks like now. Absolutely beautiful. And there's the one on the other side that I did off camera. It's the exact same process on this side. But yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Until next time, peace.